नमस्ते दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका अपने प्रयास इंडिया चैनल में। आज के जो हमारे ट्रू लाइफ हीरो उसका इंट्रोडक्शन मैं आपको नहीं दूंगा। ये वीडियो खुद आप लोग देखिए और आप लोग मुझे बताइए ये वीडियो कैसा लगा। अगर ये वीडियो आप लोग मिस करते हैं तो आप एक अच्छे ट्रू लाइफ हीरो के लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस को मिस करेंगे। आप लोग अपने बच्चों को दिखलाइए, बहुत ही अच्छा इन्होंने गाइडलाइन दी है करियर के लिए। पसंद आए तो लाइक कमेंट शेयर कीजिएगा। कोई भी क्वायरी रहे तो कमेंट बॉक्स में क्वेश्चन कीजिए, वो आंसर देंगे आपको। एंड चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा। मैं मिलता हूँ आपको वीडियो के बाद। थैंक यू।
Hello friends, my name is Karan and I am a sports manager by profession. Today I am here with you all to tell you about the career field that I have chosen for myself and why I chose the field and what are the pros and cons of the field and what you should do to be in this field. I work for the biggest media house of India, which is the Star India. I work for the Star Sports division in the customer marketing field currently. And regarding the correct age to choose a career, there was no specific planning as far as I am concerned. I was a professional cricket player till I was 23 years of age. I did my bachelor's in business management from Calcutta University. And while I was playing cricket, I always had this thought that I will have a plan B if I don't succeed in cricket, because cricket is one such sport in India where everyone wants to be a cricketer. If you visit any lane of India for that matter, you will find thousands of children who want to be the future cricketer for the Indian national team, but then that is not possible. It's like one in a thousands and lakhs get the chance to represent the country or to say even an IPL team. So when I reached that age, I knew that I won't be able to make it to the level that I actually want to play. So there was a alternate career option which was of sports management, which will keep me hooked to the field of sports and where I'll be able to do the things that I want to do in my life. So I started planning for sports management when I was 22 or 21, when I was in the final year of my college. Then I joined College of Events and Media, which is in Pune, which is a sports and media institute, wherein I did my 2 years masters in sports management. And yeah, while one important point which I would like to discuss here is the role of your father, your mother, and even your elder brother or a sister in shaping up your career. So, like for instance, me, I was never forced or pressurized by my elder brother, even my dad, to choose a particular field. They always wanted me to do whatever I want to do, but they just wanted me that I should do that thing wholeheartedly so I don't suffer in my life and in my career, and I get a good foundation. Sometimes parents don't give that chance which is required to their kid to prove their talent. So half of them, they just think that okay, I'm not good enough to do anything in my life, and at times they take false steps which they should not. So the role of a parent or your sibling is very important in shaping someone's career. I always urge everyone whom I come across in a daily life that not to pressurize the kids, not to tell them. I mean, you should tell them the correct things, but then you should not force things upon them. This leads to the gap also increases between a parent and a child if you force them to do the things which he should not, which he doesn't want to do, and then they take the wrong path at times. So I urge all of the viewers, if you have a younger son or a young girl, don't force them to choose any career that which you want to do. Rather, give them an exposure of different things and let them decide what they want to do and how they want to do. Yes, you should push them at times, but then you should know the fine line. The balance should be there between both the things. When I usually talk about different career options, a lot of times a few friends or even a few parents ask me that how do you usually deal with failure and what is failure. So to define failures, I simply say that when you are not able to do something which you should have done and which you have the potential to do it, then it's called failure. But at times there are certain things which are not controllable by you, which causes the failure. So I urge everyone not to get low or feel sad about certain failures in your life. Failures obviously are a part of your life. It will come and go, whatever you do and however you try. Without failure you won't be able to reach the next level, or without failure you won't be able to achieve success. That is what I feel. Make the mistakes, don't hesitate to make mistakes, but make sure you are not repeating the same mistake again and again. Make new mistakes every day. So that means you are learning different ways of how not to do that work. So if you apply this simple logic in your life, I am sure you guys will succeed and you will face less failures. I'm not saying you won't face failures. Everyone will face failures, even you will face failure. But then you should have the correct mindset to deal with it. You should have correct people around you. You should have positive thoughts with you all the time. Try to stay away from bad influence, from bad surroundings. Exercise daily, stay with the right people, talk with the right people, talk about right topics. Try to stay as much as away as possible from the negative mindset and negative thoughts. One more important thing which I would like to address out here in this forum is that we all have bad days and bad weeks in our life. However, sometimes we find it very difficult when we try to run away from these things, when we try to divert our mind into something else, but still those thoughts wander in your mind and you still think about it 24/7. So this time is in fact very crucial in your life, this period when negative thoughts are constantly coming in your mind, when you're trying to run away from it. So during this times you will notice that some people are actually very good. They actually perform really well in the situations. They somehow have managed something which works from them in certain situations, and they are very good at achieving something, or at achieving better result than you during such times. So these people have, it can be a certain habit, it can be a certain thought which pushes them to achieve and work and give their 200% during such times. So I always urge you all youngsters who are watching this video right now, that you have to try and figure that one thing which works for you all the time. And not even me, no one in your life will be able to find that one thing which works for you. Everyone has that different thing. So for me, for instance, if I'm passing through a tough phase or a difficult time, I always try to figure things that which I have faced in much difficult situations and how I overcame those situations. So I try to take positivity out of that and I apply that in the same situation. So that sometimes pushes me that, okay, this is just a phase, this will also go. I can't waste my time pondering about these thoughts which are occurring in my mind right now. So yeah, different people deal with different situations in a different way. You can't actually copy solutions from different people. It can be what works for me might not work for you. So you yourself have to figure that what works actually for you, and make that positivity, make that point stronger for yourself, and not copy from others that, okay, this thing is working for this person, I will also try to copy that and see if it helps me. Sometimes it might help, sometimes it might not. So you yourself are your best friend, and you have to develop that skill or the habit which will help you eventually to overcome that situation. Okay, so I don't want to make this video very long. So before ending this one last, and I think this is the most important topic which we should address is, especially in our country, India, we always emphasize and we always give emphasis and importance to what the third person will think about you and about your decision. So before doing anything or before taking any action, we think, okay, if I do this, what will the other person think? So I think this is a very stupid thing to do, and I always get very irritated when someone talks to me like this, that I wanted to do this thing, but then I thought, what will people think? I mean, how can people determine if your action is correct or incorrect? You are the person who should be knowing what actions will benefit you and what actions won't benefit you. A third person simply can't be the judge for this. Whatever you do in life, however you do in life, it's none of anyone else's business. You are the best person to judge your success and failure. Set your own standard, work towards it. Don't let anyone else change that decision or change that action because you think that you want to please them. So don't do things to please others. To do it for yourself. And I'm sure if you follow this simple mantra in your life, you are sure gonna achieve success or you are sure gonna achieve results. Failure, again, I'm telling you, failure will come. Fight it out, face the circumstances, come over it, and at the end of it, there will be the bright sunlight. I assure you that. So, my friends, on this note, I will end this short and simple video which this channel told me to talk about. And I wish all the best to Prayas India. May you guys get lots of subscribers and you get more likes and love from the people who are watching this channel. All the best to the owner of the channel. And if you have any doubts regarding the things which I discussed today, you can simply write in the comment section below, and I'll be coming back shortly to answer all your queries, and I'll make sure I address each one of your questions in the best possible way. And on that note, thank you, take care, and have a safe and happy Diwali.
दोस्तों वीडियो कैसा लगा? उम्मीद करता हूँ बहुत अच्छा लगा। अगर मैं यंगस्टर रहता 18-19 साल का तो इस करण जी से मैं बहुत कांटेक्ट में रहता और सारी गाइडलाइन मैं इन्हीं से लेता। चलिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा। कोई भी क्वेश्चन है कमेंट कॉलम में दीजिएगा, ठीक है? थैंक यू सो मच। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।